Today, I am reviewing the Panorama Gaming PC Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what drives this beast, the Intel Core i9-14900KF processor. With 24 cores and 32 threads, this CPU is an absolute monster for multitasking and high-end computing. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, rendering 3D scenes, or live streaming, all at once, this chip won't even flinch. It has a base clock of 2.4 GHz, but when you need raw power, it can boost all the way up to 6.0 GHz, giving you next-level speed on demand. It's one of the fastest processors available in any desktop today, and it's built for heavy workloads and real-time responsiveness. Now pair that powerhouse CPU with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, equipped with 16 GB of blazing fast GDDR5 RAM. This GPU is a dream come true for gamers who want maxed out settings in the latest AAA titles, buttery smooth frame rates in 1440p or 4K, and advanced features like real-time ray tracing and DLSS 3.0. From Cyberpunk 2077 to Call of Duty to Starfield, the 5070 Ti delivers ultra performance with stunning graphics. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or using GPU-heavy creative apps, this graphics card holds nothing back. Now let's talk speed and storage. The system comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5,600 MHz, which means ultra-fast data access, lag-free multitasking, and zero stutter whether you're editing, gaming, or just juggling 30 browser tabs. And with a 1TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD, your system will boot in seconds, games will load almost instantly, and data transfers will feel instantaneous. This SSD is up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives, and the Gen4 interface ensures it squeezes out every drop of performance from your motherboard. Connectivity? It's top tier. You get Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-fast and reliable wireless internet, along with HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, giving you flexible options for dual or triple monitor setups. Whether you're a productivity power user or a multi-screen gamer, this PC handles it flawlessly. One of the standout features of this desktop is the Panorama tempered glass case. With front and side full panel tempered glass, you get a full view of the stunning interior RGB setup, including 9 ARGB PWM fans. These fans aren't just for show. They deliver powerful airflow with dynamic speed control, keeping your system cool even under heavy loads, while giving your setup a futuristic glow that looks amazing in any room. Whether you're building your first battle station or upgrading your current rig, this case gives you performance and style. And here's a bonus. This PC comes with a free rainbow backlit keyboard and LED USB mouse, so you're ready to go right out of the box. No need to shop for extras. Just plug in and start gaming. What I also love is that Empowered PCs are assembled in the USA, and each system is rigorously stress-tested before it ships. That means reliability, quality control, and peace of mind. Plus, there's no bloatware, just pure performance from day one. In 2025, if you want a desktop that does it all and looks amazing doing it, the Panorama Gaming PC Desktop from Empowered PC is one of the smartest, most powerful pre-built investments you can make.